next method is completing the square. Under completing the square method, let me give you a technique you can use to solve completing the square method. Anytime you want to solve completing the square, you have to move the constant to the left hand side of the equation. So this question here, the constant here is plus 24. So we can easily move this constant to the left hand side. From here we have 2x squared minus 14x is equal to 0 minus 24. 2x squared minus 14x is equal to 0 minus 24 is minus 24. I said something that anytime you are working with quadratic equation, the number in front of the highest power must be 1. Automatically, we can divide through by 2. So that is 2x squared minus divided by 2, 14x divided by 2, minus 24 divided by 2. 2 can cancel 2. We have x squared minus 14 divided by 2 is 7. That is 7x is equal to minus 24 divided by 2, which is minus 12. The next step is multiply half to the coefficient of x. We are going to multiply half to minus 7. Minus 7 times half. Minus 7 times 1 is minus 7 divided by 2. After you multiply half to the coefficient of x, the next step is square the coefficient of x, which is a minus 7 divided by 2 all square. We are going to add this value to both right and the left hand side of the equation. Therefore, we have x squared minus 7x plus minus 7 divided by 2, everything raised to power 2 is equal to minus 12 plus open bracket minus 7 divided by 2, then everything raised to power 2. The next step is you have to neglect this minus 7 here. Let's neglect it because we are not going to work on it. We have x squared plus open bracket minus 7 divided by 2 all square is equal to minus 12 plus open bracket minus 7 divided by 2 all square. You can see that 2 is common here, so we can easily bring this inside the bracket. Inside a single bracket, we have x plus x minus, because plus times minus is minus, which is x minus 7 divided by 2 all square is equal to minus 12 plus open bracket minus 7 divided by 2, then everything raised to power 2. We can open this bracket here. Minus 7 times minus 7 is 49. Then 2 times 2 is 4. Let's continue. We have x minus 7 divided by 2 all square is equal to minus 12 plus open bracket minus 7 times minus 7 is plus 49, which is 49 divided by 2 times 2 is 4 divided by 4, then close bracket. Therefore, we have x minus 7 divided by 2 all square is equal to minus 12 plus 49 divided by 4. Easily we can find the LCM here. So x minus 7 divided by 2 all square. So the LCM is 4. 4 divided by 1 is 4. Then times 12, which is minus 48. 4 times minus 12 is minus 48. Then plus 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 49 is 49. From here, we have x minus 7 divided by 2 all square is equal to minus 48 plus 49 is equal to 1. Then over 4. The next step is square root both sides of the equation so that we can eliminate the raised to power 2 here. We can square root the both sides of the equation, which is square root of x minus 7 divided by 2 all square is equal to square root of 1 all over 4. You can see that these two can cancel the square root. So we can easily use these two to cancel the square root. We are left with x minus 7 divided by 2 is equal to square root of 1 over 4. So the square root of 1 is 1 and the square root of 4 is 2. So automatically I can easily add plus or minus in front of it, which is the plus or minus 1/2. Now let's look at this. If what is the square root of 9? We know that the square root of 9 is equal to 3. So automatically I can also say that the square root of 9 is equal to plus or minus 3, because if we multiply plus 3 times plus 3, it's going to give us plus 9. And if we multiply minus 3 times minus 3, you know, minus times minus is also plus, which is going to give us what? Plus 9. So automatically anytime you are working with square roots, the answer of your square roots, you can easily add plus or minus in front of it. So let's continue. So we can collect the like times here. So I'm having x, so I can easily bring this to the other side of the equation. Mind you, it has a negative sign. If this value here wants to go to the other side of the equation, the negative sign is going to change to positive sign. I'm having is equal to 7 divided by s is equal to 7 divided by 2, then plus or minus 1/2. Therefore s is equal to 7 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2, or s is equal to 7 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 2. We can also find the LCM again. The LCM here is equal to 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1, which is plus 1, is equal to, we can also find the LCM here also, which is also 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 7 is 1. Then 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1 minus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8, which is 8 divided by 2, or s is equal to 7 minus 1 is 6, which is 6 divided by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 4. So s is equal to 4, or 2 here 1, 2 here 3, or s is equal to 3. So the answer is s is equal to 4, or s is equal to 3, which is the same thing as the answer for the formula method and factorization method. Thank you.